Okay, friends, just as the inspector told me, here I am in this great park at 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Let's see if he shows up and we finally discover who did vandalize the statue of the town. Aha, you again. Okay, but I just don't get it. What's going on? Let's find who's the responsible of this. Oh, he's telling us something. We have to guess who from these suspects did vandalize the statue. Okay, so we have clear suspects. Who? Where are they? Who are we going to investigate? Wow, I like these binoculars. And yes, look, what a messy boy holding an apple. And that other beautiful girl with a sandwich, right? Does he take a shower every day? What do you think? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't? Okay, looking at him, I don't think so. I think he doesn't take a shower every day. He is quite messy already. So, as we are trying to guess, I'm going to say no, he doesn't. And for her, we have the same question, but we need to change the personal pronoun. Does she take a shower every day? I don't know, but if we are guessing, I dare to say, yeah, she looks like she has a shower every day. Yes, she does. Okay. Let's see. One more question. Does he have fruits for breakfast every day? Okay. Well, I don't know if every day, but if I have to guess, today he has an apple. So, yes, he does. And what about the girl? The girl has a sandwich. So the girl doesn't, right? No, she doesn't. So to the question, does she have fruits for breakfast every day? We are going to say no, she doesn't. Third question, does he go by feet to school every day? Yes, these are the questions you asked me the other day. And as you asked me, you said, do you? And I said, yes, I do or no, I don't. But we're talking about the boy and the girl. So does he go by feet? Looking at his shoes, I would say so because the shoes are very dirty. So maybe it's a yes. Yes, he does. And what about the girl? Does she go to school by feet every day? She looks clean. It's true her shoes are a bit dirty, but I am not sure. I don't know. I can tell. Can you help me with that? Oh, look! Inside the school bag, there's a metro card, a metro ticket. So that is totally a reference. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. She doesn't go by feet to school every day because she has that metro ticket, okay? And finally, does he get dressed by himself? I think so because he's super messy. Yeah, I don't think his mom decided to put on him those clothes, right? Yeah, so he does. Yes, he does. And what about her? She looks great, but I don't know if she gets dressed by herself every day. Can we have any clue? Oh, look, we can see it. Look at the mommy. The mommy prepares the clothes for her. So that means no, she doesn't. She doesn't get dressed by herself. Okay, so finally we've answered all questions. And how do we know? How do we know who did vandalize the statue of the town? Okay, look, let's check the details around the statue. Oh, we can see some pieces of Apple. Yes. Okay. And some dirt from shoes, right? Yeah, like the shoes from the boy. Yeah, I think we know it, right? It's the boy. Oh, but boy, what happened? What were you doing? Oh, here we know. He was playing soccer and he kicked the ball too strong. Oh boy, you should have told someone. Ay, ay, ay. Next time, be careful.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello monkeys! Keep learning with us, and this time again the using of the present simple, but just the auxiliary. Do, don't, does, doesn't, okay? Remember that for the present simple, in questions we need this word, and many times in the answers we need them as well, okay? So let's go and read the first instruction of this activity. Choose the right word on each sentence, okay? And we have 4 options. Let's go. She play basketball every day. Okay, do she play basketball or does she play basketball? Is does. Is does she play basketball? Is does. And I'm going to make them big this time so I can paint them like this. Okay? Does she play basketball every day? Does. And I'm going to do it the way, a beautiful way, like pairs and in pairs. Does she play basketball every day? Yes, she does. Okay? When we have does in the question, we might have it as well in the answer. So D O E S. Okay? And this time I'm going to use the full orange, but you can see that you can use the colors you want, okay? Just yes, she does. Now let's go for another one. Okay, we have, it's not she, it's not he or it, it's they. For they we use do or don't. Do they go to school by bus? Do. The most common thing to hear will be do. No, they don't. Okay, now this is the right one. No, they don't. Or, because we have no. We cannot say no, they do. It's no, they don't. All right? Great. And again, this time, I'm going to use the green. And I'm going to make dots. Beep, beep. And for the answer, with the purple. Beep, 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 beep. Well done. Okay, now the subject is he. For he, we need does. So does he like ice creams? And we have no, so it doesn't. No, he doesn't. Well done. And now I'll go for the red color. Well done. And yes, like that. And again now the orange one. I think orange and red do match nicely. Okay, D, E, Well done. Finally, okay, we have we. With we, do we sing songs before sleep? And yes, we do. Okay, if we have yes, is do. If we have no, is don't. We do. And this time, pink is the color I'm going to use for both words. Great! Well done, guys. Goodbye.